In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan serverless functions with Tenable, and trust me, this could change how you manage your security and vulnerabilities. By the end, you'll know exactly how to streamline the process of securing serverless functions in your environment. Plus, stay tuned because you'll get exclusive bonuses to use Tenable completely free. Now, let's dive straight into it. First things first, Tenable is a powerful vulnerability management tool, and yes, you can use it to scan serverless functions effectively. Serverless functions are great for scaling applications, but they also come with unique security challenges. And that's where Tenable comes in. Next, to start scanning serverless functions, you need to integrate Tenable's platform with your cloud environment, whether it's AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Tenable provides a comprehensive set of scanning tools that cover a wide range of assets, including serverless functions. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to access your cloud provider's infrastructure for scanning. Once that's set up, you're ready to start scanning. The third thing you need to do is configure Tenable to specifically target serverless functions. Tenable supports scanning serverless applications by recognizing various cloud services like AWS Lambda. You'll want to configure Tenable to look at these functions and assess them for vulnerabilities. Tenable can detect misconfigurations, outdated dependencies, and vulnerabilities specific to serverless architecture. Next, once you've set your configuration, you can start the scan. Tenable runs in-depth checks on your serverless environment. This includes scanning the configurations, the code, and the underlying infrastructure to ensure everything is secure. You'll get insights into potential risks and areas where your security can be improved. The fifth thing is reviewing your scan results. Tenable will give you a detailed report with findings prioritized based on risk. This helps you focus on critical issues first, especially in a serverless environment where time to remediation is key. You can then take action based on Tenable's insights and recommendations. Next, let's talk about automation. Once you have your scanning process set up, you can automate these scans to continuously monitor your serverless functions. This is a game changer for security, as it helps you stay on top of vulnerabilities without manual intervention. It's an essential step to maintaining long-term security as your serverless architecture evolves. Finally, the key takeaway here is that Tenable makes it easier to scan and secure serverless functions in a scalable, automated way. It's a powerful tool that integrates seamlessly with your cloud provider, scans for vulnerabilities, and gives you actionable insights to improve security. Remember, you can use Tenable for free by clicking the first link in the description below, where we're offering an exclusive extended trial. That's a big bonus to get you started on securing your serverless functions. Now that you know how to scan serverless functions with Tenable, it's time to take action and safeguard your cloud environments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that exclusive offer below.